Hello everyone, so today we have y equals to p arrow over m minus p to the power of 2 times arrow or to the power of minus 3 over 2. And from this equation, we're going to find arrow as the unknown and make it the subject of the relation. So if we solve together, let's say solution. So from here, we're going to raise power to 2 over 3 on both sides, so that our equation will become y to the power of minus 2 over 3 equals to p arrow over m minus p to the power of 2 arrow to the power of minus 3 over 2, again to the power of minus 2 all over 3. And if we simplify this very well, this power will cancel out. What will be left to be y to the power of minus 2 over 3 will be equals to p arrow over m minus p to the power of 2 times arrow. Thank you for viewing our videos. I would love to invite you to click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. Click on the like button for this video also, so that we can have more visibility. Alright, so here we're going to take the LCM, which is m. That is, y to the power of minus 2 over 3 will be equals to m. M divided by m is 1, and 1 times p arrow will be equals to p arrow will be p arrow minus is over 1. M divided by 1, that is m, and m times this very one, that will be p arrow to the power of 2 arrow m. So the next line becomes y to the power of minus 2 over 3 is equals to, what is common here is arrow. If we factor out arrow, what will be left will be p minus here p to the power of 2m all over m. Here this over 1. If we cross multiply, we can have here arrow times p minus p to the power of 2m will be equals to m y to the power of minus 2 over 3. And from here, if we divide by the coefficient of the unknown, which is arrow, that is p over p to the power of 2m all over p minus p to the power of 2m. Here p minus p to the power of 2m will cancel out. What will be left will be arrow equals to my to the power of minus 2 over 3 all over p minus p to the power of 2m. In another form, arrow can be regarded as m times the cube root of y to the power of minus 2 all over p minus p to the power of 2m. And this is the value for arrow. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please click on the subscription button before you leave. See you in our next video. Bye bye.